We started from Bangalore. We took a government bus to be very, budget friendly. The buses directly drop you to the bus stand, and it's good to always wait there because I don't think any private stops will help you wait near the bus stand. And I think it's pretty good, neat, well maintained. And from here you're getting the direct bus to the destination that we're heading to. It's Bettigiri village. Here we go, the next destination.
From Bangalore?
From Bangalore to Coorg. Well, we found our bus. It's just 20 rupees ticket. We're starting from Madikeri and our destination, we're heading to a village called Bettigiri village, which is where the campsite is. Do not depend on the private transportations, especially the jeeps and all. They're very pricey. They will charge you like 300, 400 rupees, but in 20 rupees you can reach in the destination. So suggest budget travelers, look for it. Buses are the right transportation for you. We'll be reaching in half an hour, and let's see what to have us for that. The destination is just like few minutes away from here. We thought we'll take a quick morning walk, but I think it was a good idea because the view, the beauty is amazing. I think you should be doing this. The best way to explore Coorg is to take a walk, and you will get to see amazing things which you would not expect otherwise, probably going in the car or in the auto rickshaw where you would just want to get down and see things. Rather, take a walk and see how amazing it is. This is a beautiful place. Finally, we made it to our destination, the Civet Creek, and this estate is actually surrounded with a lot of activities. I'll show you my tent. That's where we'll be staying tonight. The very first thing that you need to check is the washroom. This is nice. Very nice. Now we are heading to a beautiful nature spot which is very close by, around 4 to 5 kilometers from here. We'll get down and we'll walk towards the nature spot. That's one of the beautiful falls that we will be visiting. Finally, we are close to the waterfalls. Now we are just going for the walk. Wow. Supposed to be an adventurous. There's no name for the falls, so we're calling it as a private falls. Let's see how it looks like.
Coffee plantations all around.
Like you see, all these trees are basically coffee plantations. This is what Coorg is all about. Greenery, nature, coffee plantations and waterfalls. The best time to come to this place is probably post-monsoon. The weather seems to be pleasant, cold, but not too much of water. As I heard from a couple of people who just came back. They said, yeah, there's a beautiful view and a lot of water. Let's see how it looks like. I'm assuming it's going to be an adventurous place. We can take a dip in this water, take a shower, and then come back home. It's always good to be cautious. Wear good pair of shoes and not chappals. Wow. Step on. And so one by one we're gonna get down. It seems to be a little difficult and dangerous, but I think we can do it. Aquaman could not take a dip, but he did it. What an experience. It is freaking cold.
Morning guys, it's 6 a.m. in the morning over here and seems to be pretty misty. But yeah, we had a good night in these tents, really good, well-maintained tents. We'll be heading for the breakfast and quickly checking out from this place, heading towards Madikere. From Madikere we will go to Abbey Falls. Abbey Falls would be our last destination, and then we will be heading back to Bangalore.